Hi and welcome to my channel. I bought this 3D monument puzzles of the Iron Throne in Game of Thrones because now when I have to wait like 1 week between each episode, I just have to fill my dose of Game of Thrones things. So that's why I bought this. I'm gonna try to make a stop motion movie for the first time with this puzzle. I never tried that before, but I hope it will look nice. But let's just unbox this quick before that. Yeah, it's pretty much the similar design as the wooden safe from U-Gears, except this one is 56 pieces, which is gonna be a piece of cake. Oh my god, I'm sorry. Let's not destroy this too much. Okay, so it's a 3D puzzle in wood. Simple as that. There are a lot of whoops. Okay, I don't have to press them out. Wooden smell is the best smells. Like freshly cut wood, I don't know if anything can compare with that. This didn't smell as much as the safe though. I love the safe smell. That's some different shit. Right, we have these things here. Of course, the blueprints. There's a lot of things. Just that thing. I don't know what this is. Just that thing. Whoa. Okay. This thing. This thing. And that. Blueprint. It's like 9 steps. Alright, so let's see if we can make a cool stop motion movie from this. I'm gonna use my display box for this glass display box that I built in a previous video, and yep, let's get to it. And we are done. Turned out pretty cool. But the question now is, what can I use this for? I have no idea. For candles, a watch, a shot glass, a shot, a pepper mill, soy sauce, tomato ketchup, and a shoe. Okay, so this was the video, and this was the 3D puzzle Iron Throne from Game of Thrones. Still am pretty unsure what I am gonna have this for or use this for, but the best idea I have so far is using it as a whiskey glass holder, and it would fit kind of nice into my whiskey shelf,
But if you have any better ideas, just let me know. Don't forget to subscribe for more stuff, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Peace.